Yes guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah man, today it's a great day, giving thanks once more. So here I have the chicken guys, seasoned down properly from last night, overnight season and marinate. Yeah man, so gonna light up the grill in a minute. Yeah man, so we're gonna have some real jerk chicken guys. Yeah man, that is it. So stay tuned, catch it pre and watch how I go on. That is it. Alright guys, see there man. For goat. Yeah man. Real curry goat, you know what I mean? Yeah man. Eat there man. Early settings, you know? Yeah man, see it. Grill light up already and thing. Yeah man. That is it. Yeah man, you don't know. That is it man. Early settings as we say no man. See it there? Backyard settings, you know? Yeah man, so gonna get the grill going guys. Yeah man, this chicken seasoned up from last night. Well marinate down properly, you know what I mean? That is it man, so put them on the grill. See free there, man. That is it. Backyard settings, you know what I mean? Yeah man. Yes guys, so you don't know, today is Sunday, yeah man, and this is what's going on, you know what I mean? Say? Yeah man, chicken on the grill, yeah man. That is it guys. Yeah man, stay tuned, catch it free, and watch what go on. That is it. I'm gonna drink some water and mind my business, you know? That is it, man. Don't know, guys. Catch it free and watch what go on. Sunday morning, backyard settings. Yeah, man. I mean, Sunday evening, guys. Sunday evening. I mean, I drink it, you know, but you don't know the boys everything up. You know what I mean?